Hello YouTube family, welcome back. Let's provide a solution given this math problem, which is 25 divided by 4 raised to power 9 divided by 4, okay? So the first thing you can check 25 divided by 4, that is 25 divided by 4. This we can be expressed as 5 raised to power 2 divided by 2 raised to power 2, okay? If you say 5 squared is the same as 25, and if you say 2 squared is the same as 4, all right? Now from here, given that if you have a raised to power n divided by b raised to power n, given that these two numbers, that is a and b, they have the same exponent, we can express as a divided by b raised to power n, okay? So let's apply this property. So we're going to have, this is 5 squared divided by 2 squared. We can express this as 5 over 2 raised to power 2 multiplying by, remember we have raised to power 9 over 4, so we just multiply by 9 over 4, okay? So let's simplify this. We simplify so that we're going to have 5 over 2 raised to power 9 over 2, okay? So we're saying that we have 5 over 2 raised to power 9 over 2, okay? Now from here, we find that we can express 9 as 8 plus 1, okay? So let's substitute this back to our equation. We have 5 raised to power 2 raised to power, this is 8 plus 1 divided by 2, okay? So this is the same thing as 5 over 2 raised to power, this is 8 divided by 2 plus a half, okay? So we simplify here, this is 8 divided by 2, this is 4, and that gives us 5 over 2, this is 4 plus a half, okay? So we have 5 over 2 raised to power 4 plus a half, okay? Now from what you can see, 5 over 2 raised to power 4 plus a half, this is in the form of a raised to power n plus m, which you can transform as a raised to power n multiplying by a raised to power m, okay? So we're going to have 5 over 2, okay, raised to power 4 multiplying by 5 over 2 raised to power a half, okay? Now from what we have here, 5 over 2 raised to power 4 multiplying by 5 over 2 raised to power half, we can have, this is the same thing as 5 raised to power 4 divided by 2 raised to power 4 multiplying by square root of 5 over 2, okay? The reason we are writing a square root of 5 over 2, for instance, if you're given a raised to power a half, this is the same thing as square root of a, okay? Now from what we have that 5 raised to power 4, this is the same thing as 5 times 5 times 5 times 5, okay? So this is equal to 625, all right? And then we have 2 raised to power 4, this is the same thing as 2 times 2 times 2 times 2, which is equal to 16, okay? So let's substitute this. We're going to have 625 divided by 16, okay, multiplied by the square root of 5 divided by 2, okay? Now, which you can express as 625 divided by 16 multiplied by, now the square root of 5 over 2, this is the same thing as square root of 5 divided by square root of 2, okay? Now from here, we have that 625 divided by 16 multiplied by square root of 5 divided by square root of 2. The next step is that we can rationalize the denominator by multiplying both signs by square root of 2 and square root of 2. So that now we are going to have 625, okay, multiplying by, now square root of 5 multiplying by square root of 2, this is the same thing as square root of 10 divided by, now we have 16 multiplying by the square root of 2 multiplying by square root of 2, this is the same as square root of 4. Okay, and this is supposed to give us 625 divided by 16 multiplied by square root of 4. This is 2. Okay, and the numerator will have square root of 10. Okay, so that now we are going to have 625 square root of 10 divided by 16 times 2, which is 32. Okay, so this is the first method. Let me show you the second method, how to solve this math problem. Now for method 2, we have 25 over 4 raised to power 9 over 4. Now from here, 9 over 4 can be expressed as 8 plus 1, that's for 9 divided by 4, which is the same thing as 8 over 4 plus 1 over 4. Okay, now from here, we divide both signs by 4 and by 4. So we'll have 2 plus 1 over 4. Okay, so let's substitute this. We are going to have 25 over 4 raised to power 2 plus 1 over 4. All right, now from what we have, 25 over 4 raised to power 2 plus a quarter, this is in the form of a raised to power n plus m, which we can write as a raised to power n multiplied by a raised to power m. Let's write in this form. So we're going to have 25 divided by 4 raised to power 2 multiplied by 25 divided by 4 raised to power 1 over 4. Now from what we have 25 over 4 raised to power 2 multiplied by 25 over 4 raised to power 1 over 4. Now 25 divided by 4 raised to power 2, this is the same thing as 25 squared divided by 4 squared, which is equal to 25 squared is the same thing as 25 times 25, which is equal to 625. Okay, and 4 squared is the same thing as 4 times 4, which is equal to 16. So that means that the first part is the same thing as 625 divided by 16 multiplied by, now from what we have the second part as 25 over 4 raised to power 1 over 4. All right, now as you can see, 25 over 4, this can be expressed as 5 squared divided by 2 squared. Okay, now given that the bases are different, we have different bases, but now the exponents are common, we have that a raised to power n divided by b raised to power n. This is the same, can be written as a over b raised to power n, given that n is the same exponent. So we'll have 5 squared divided by 2 squared. This is the same thing as 5 over 2 raised to power 2. Okay, so we are going to have here 5 over 2 raised to power 2 multiplied by 1 over 4. Okay, so we are going to have, we simplify here, so we're going to have 5 over 2. Okay, this is raised to power a half. Okay, so we're going to have the first part, which is 625 divided by 16 multiplied by square root of 5 over 2. Okay, 5 over 2 raised to power a half is the same thing as square root of 5 over 2, which is equal to 625 divided by 16 multiplied by square root of 5 over 2. This is the same thing as square root of 5 divided by square root of 2. Okay, so from here we rationalize the denominator. So we have 625 divided by 16 multiplied by square root of 5 divided by square root of 2. So what do we do here? We rationalize the denominator. We multiply by square root of 2 and multiply by square root of 2 in the numerator, so that we're going to have 625 multiplied by square root of 5 multiplied by square root of 2. This is the same thing as square root of 10 divided by 16 multiplied by square root of 2 times square root of 2. This is the same as square root of 4, which is equal to 625 multiplying by square root of 10 divided by 16 times 2. Square root of 4 is 2. And this gives us a solution which is 625 square root of 10 divided by 16 times 2, which is equal to 32. Okay, so this is the solution using method 2. So follow the steps, and thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.